we're just finishing a 350 Oldsmobile that we're building for a customer who has a 72 Olds Cutlass. We took the 350 block, bored it about 30 thou over, put a set of Icon forged aluminum pistons in it with a set of gapless second total seal rings. We took the stock crankshaft and cleaned it up 10 thousandth under. I put a plug of heavy metal in the front of the crankshaft so I could use a ATI super damper. The customer is putting a TKO 6 behind this, and as you see on the March setup on the front, we're running air conditioning, so I had to temper the retro hydraulic roller a little bit to give the engine a little bit of low RPM torque. My customer wants about 500 horse, and we should be in the very high fours to pretty close to 500 horsepower. We put a high-rise dual plane intake on it, which will help greatly with the torque. The EdelBrock heads are designed specifically for a 455, and the ports were a little large on it, so all we did was port match the intake and the intake manifold in the head and just clean the exhaust up a little bit. We put an HEI distributor on it for simplicity, and we're putting a 635 QuickFuel on top. And we haven't got the valve covers done yet. We've got a set of fabricated sheet metal covers. We've got to punch the holes for the PCV and the crankcase breather. He also had a beautiful set of polished stainless steel headers made for it. I haven't got them on the engine yet, not until I get it on the dyno, so probably this afternoon we'll have her on the dyno, and tomorrow I'm hoping to crank it up and see just how good it does.